Have you ever wondered what magic makes a vacuum cleaner suck up all that dust from your floor? Imagine a giant straw that can slurp up crumbs and dirt instead of juice. When you turn on a vacuum, a small but powerful electric motor spins a fan inside. This spinning fan pushes air out of the vacuum, creating a low-pressure area inside the machine. Because air always rushes from high pressure to low pressure, the air outside the vacuum, along with dust and dirt, gets pulled in through the nozzle and hose. As this air rushes in, it carries tiny particles of dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other small debris along with it. The air and all the stuff it's carrying move through filters and sometimes a spinning brush, which helps lift dirt from carpets and floors more effectively. The dust and dirt get trapped in a bag or a special container, while the now clean air is pushed back out into the room. So, instead of magic, it's all about air pressure, spinning fans, and clever filters working together to help you keep your space fresh and tidy every day.